Airbnb Q4 earnings exceed expectations, stock surges. Airbnb has surpassed analysts' expectations in both revenue and earnings for the fourth quarter. The revenue for the quarter saw a 24% year increase and was the highest fourth quarter in the company's history. The firm attributed this success to robust growth in guest demand and supply throughout 2022. After the Q4 earnings were released, Airbnb shares went up by about 9% in after-hours trading. According to Refinitiv, analysts had predicted earnings per share of 25 cents. However, Airbnb actual earnings per share for the fourth quarter were 48 cents. Furthermore, the company's revenue of $1.90 billion exceeded the expected revenue of $1.86 billion. Airbnb reported $319 million in net income for Q4, a substantial increase from the $55 million of the previous year. The adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization of $506 million were also higher than the anticipated $432 million, according to Street Account. In its shareholder letter, the company stated that it is experiencing a strong demand at the beginning of 2023. It also stated that it is anticipating revenue of between $1.75 billion and $1.82 billion in the first quarter, exceeding the expected $1.69 billion, as per Refinitiv's poll of analysts. Airbnb cut its spending during the pandemic, but it has gradually increased its workforce over the past 2 years. The company has indicated that it plans to continue hiring at a reasonable pace throughout 2023. In comparison to 2019, Airbnb has seen a 5% reduction in its headcount, while its revenue has increased by 75%. The fourth quarter saw Airbnb gross booking value reach $13.5 billion, used to monitor host earnings, service fees, cleaning fees, and taxes. It had 88.2 million nights and experiences booked, a year increase of 20%. However, this figure was below the expected 89.7 million, according to Street Account analysts. Airbnb has also noted that guests have returned to significant cities, which have traditionally been one of its most robust business areas. Additionally, the firm has reported that domestic and short-distance travel remains strong, with longer distance and cross-border travel showing even greater improvements during Q4. The average daily rate for Airbnb decreased by 1% year to $153 in the fourth quarter. The company finished 2022 with 6.6 million active listings, reflecting a 16% increase compared to 2021, or over 900,000 more active listings. The company is optimistic about market share gains in Latin America, continued growth within the Asia-Pacific region, and early bookings by European travelers for summer vacations. Airbnb quarterly call with investors will be held at 4:30 p.m. on Tuesday.